Hi there. Today we'll be talking about IP adapter. If you have worked on Comfy UI or Automatic 1111 or Easy Diffusion, you might have come across IP adapter. IP adapter allows us to provide images as prompt, along with the text for our stable diffusion generation, and today we are going to do exactly that. We need some libraries before we can proceed, namely diffusers, IP adapter, and Untitled. So go ahead and install them. I have installed it already on my machine. Diffusers is a library by Huggingface that provides a pipeline, pre-trained models, and schedulers for diffusion training and inference. The stable diffusion pipeline is capable of generating photorealistic images given any text input. We'll create a pipeline with our choice of model, scheduler, and VAE. Just so you know, diffusion models are trained to denoise random Gaussian noise step by step to generate a sample of interest, such as an image or audio. VAE, or the Variational autoencoder, are models that can generate new data that is statistically similar to the original data. Scheduler is a time function that manages the temporal progression of refining noise into meaningful outputs. Let's create a DDIM noise scheduler. DDIM stands for Denoising Diffusion Implicit Models. We also need to create a VAE from a pre-trained autoencoder KL. And finally, create a stable diffusion pipeline by specifying the checkpoint model, scheduler, and VAE. Now our stable diffusion pipeline is ready, and you can literally just pass your prompt to this and get generated images as result. But I want the resulting images to look like my source image. IP adapter is an image prompt adapter that can be plugged into diffusion models to enable image prompting without any changes to the underlying model. IP adapter Face ID Plus provides Face ID embedding for Face ID and Clip Image embedding for face structure. So we'll go ahead and download it. And lastly, we are going to need Untitled as we'll be dealing with faces. You can see another use of Untitled in the deepfake tutorial I posted a while ago. Let's examine the generate_image function. This function takes 4 arguments. 1. An array of reference image paths. 2. A text prompt describing the image along with the variations. 3. A Boolean flag to indicate if the resulting image should be photorealistic or not. And 4. A negative prompt, if any. Depending on whether a photorealistic style is requested, the function adjusts the strength parameters, controlling how much the final image should resemble the original face. Next, I extracted facial embeddings for each reference image and averaged them to account for all features across images. I also extracted the face from first image alone to pass it to the IP adapter Face ID model. With everything set, I just call the IP adapter Face ID Plus model and return the resulting images. Alright, I have 2 images of Tony Stark that I'm going to pass as my reference images and try to generate a watercolor style picture. Let it complete. If you are on CPU, this might take a while, but check the results when it completes. Not bad, right? Let me know in the comments if you found it useful. And don't forget to subscribe for more such easy digest. Thanks for watching.